Hello. As you have just seen or you are about to see, today was a winning day. $724.93. Absolutely amazing. Smashed it today, boys. Uh, Unfortunately, I took free trades today, which is kind of against my strategy. But the first one was a break even, and the second one was a loss of $100. I'm pretty sure. So that wasn't over risking still. The next trade that I took, I had in mind that it's a third trade, so it was lower the risk as well. It was $250 on the risk. I'm not sure you saw in the video or you gonna see in the video because I recorded myself trading. Yeah. Anyways, let me just jump straight into the analysis for you today, boys. So, going into the markets, my bias was bearish actually because we had this SMT on the 4 hourly with NQ, like ES swept this high, but NQ didn't. Um, and furthermore, at 1528 we had this wick, which swept on both NQ and ES, these highs, which further indicated to me that we're gonna move lower, right? So my first trade was taken off of this inverse value gap. We tap it back into it. I entered on this candle. That was the confirmation, so my entry was somewhere here, I would assume, and my stops were above it, and my target was this. Right, so that was my first trade. So I ended up moving it to break even after this point, which you can see I got stopped out because of this horrible range that we were in for the most of the day, which was basically this range, right? The range that has been really happening for the whole week, if I'm not mistaken, on Nasdaq and the ES together. And normally we were actually moving up. Today we moved down. We swept Asian and London lows, which made an SMT with ES, because on ES we didn't sweep Asian lows, and that was basically what my last trade was based on, which is this one. We inverse the Friday gap on the 3-minute time frame, and as you boys know, I try and avoid the entry straight after an invasion from now on, so I enter the trade after this candle tapped into the Friday gap, right? So that was a nice 1 to 3 RR ratio. Stops of course below this inverse Friday gap. So that was a nice trade, boys. The final take profit was going to be this level, right? However, I cheated a bit again, and I was gonna take the position off somewhere here. I think, I'm not sure, but yeah, ended up holding it to this level. Nice $724.93 in profit. Oh yeah, there's actually one more trade that I forgot to go through it, which is a long position, which was a long position, yeah, off of this Ferrari gap, because we closed above this, so I was pretty bullish that we're gonna break out of this range and move higher, but as you can see I got stopped out almost immediately, and that was the $200 loss that I took today. So yeah, pretty clean price action from what I would say. Predicted the first move down, which was the move downwards. No idea why. I mean, of course, I want to secure my position. That's why I moved it to break even. But normally I shouldn't move my stop loss to break even. However, I'm not disappointed because I executed perfectly today. I took another chance. Because remember, boys, break even is not a loss, and there's opportunities in the market every fucking day. So you know what I'm saying. Yeah, just a quick recap. I'm not gonna go into any further details today. Just go and follow me on TikTok, join my Discord, follow me on IG. I'm posting on TikTok and IG from 2 days ago, I think. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I will see you guys on Monday, and make sure to subscribe. That's it.